welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tati. I'm doing a get ready with me. It's going to be hair edition. I'm showing you guys start to finish on this really poppin' 13x4 pre-layered unit that I received from Klaiyi Hair. I think you guys are going to love this one because it is so low maintenance. As soon as you pop it onto your head, you don't have to do much, but you know your girl, she loves to do a little extra, a little bit of, razzle dazzle to her wig so it can fit to my liking. But this unit right here, I vouch for it being just a pop-on wig, ready to go. You can take it on vacation, holiday wig, birthday wig. It is amazing, very low maintenance. So we're just going to go ahead and start the process. So as you can see, I'm giving myself a foundation, and I wanted to do these braids, one because I just took out a quick weave, so that's super important to me. So I needed to make sure that I'm taking care of my hair as much as I possibly can. So greasing it up and braiding it up is basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of this month and of April, because I don't have time. So I'm just using my edge booster just to slick my edges down because we don't want any problems. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop on a flesh tone wig cap. Once we got that going, I'm going to go ahead and take out the beautiful unit that I received from Klaiyi. It's a 13x4 pre-layered unit once again, and it's everything, you guys. So the parting on this is amazing. The construction on this unit is amazing. And I decided that as soon as I took it out, I wanted to go and pluck at the middle part that they already have for this unit, because it kind of is difficult to do this while it's on your head. I'm just going in with my tint spray first, and then I use my Got2b glue hairspray. So as you can see, like really natural looking unit. This HD lace is perfect. It's perfect. It matches my complexion. It blends really well. It melts down really nice. So you're going to see all of that. I'm just going in with my blow dryer as well as this really good rat tail comb that I picked up from Sally's Beauty Supply store, just to ensure that everything is laying proper. And I love it, you guys. Like, when I say this is so low maintenance, this is one of the wigs that you need to have in your stash, because not every day you want to walk around with a 26-inch, a 24-inch. This is like perfect for, errand running. Like I said, I just mentioned all those other festivities that you can be doing with this unit. So now that we have the wig intact with the Got2b glue hairspray and is laid and ready to, take the town, I'm going to go ahead and remove this extra lace around the perimeter of my hairline. So it's so important for you to get really close up in that mirror, hun, because you do not want to cut too much and you don't want to cut too little, because it can just be looking a little crazy on you when you have that extra lace still on your forehead. And we don't put powder all over just to be hiding that. You just need to go ahead and remove it. I love these scissors for this. I actually ended up having these pairs of scissors floating around my crib because my homegirl actually had left it over my house, and I just I couldn't find my shears at the time, and I had these and I used them, and I was like, you know what? These are almost better than using shears for this process. It doesn't give like that super straight blunt cut that shears do for some odd reason. And yeah, I just love it. So if you have those scissors, definitely try to use those instead of using your shears. But if you have a razor, I'm sure you can still finesse and make it look good. So I'm just removing that extra hairspray around the perimeter because that is not cute. Trust me, it's not. But just remember to add more makeup, or if you don't have makeup on, just make sure you hit those areas, but don't try to get it too much in your lace because that's not cute either. So I'm just gonna go in, making sure my little edges are laid and slayed still, because it can be a really pain in the butt when it comes to these ear tab areas. So make sure that is laid down. Now look at how natural this hairline looks without me even having to pluck. But because I'm extra, I did want to go in and remove a little bit more, because I felt like, some areas were a little too full for my liking. But this is personal preference, okay? Personal preference. So take your time, get you a good pair of tweezers if you do want to do this step. This is sped up, so don't think that I'm going this fast. Yeah, it's not giving that. rake all that dead hair out, and then I went on a snack break, okay? Like, I had to get my life together because I was like losing a little bit of sugar, hun. I just felt like I was so hungry. So yeah, I had a little chip or two, and now it's time to create these baby hairs. So I just section off, and then I cut in a blunt form, and then I go in with a blunt cut to the baby hairs, and then I curl them bad boys under. But you also want to remember to tweeze in that part, because plucking in that part just allows this to be permanent. So when you do pop it back on, you know what your baby hairs look like, what area it's supposed to be in, and all that good stuff. And I just used my Got to Be Glue hairspray just to lay these girls down. And yeah, it's looking like, you know, it's looking like something finally, okay? I didn't do the ear tab ones because I just really didn't feel like it, but I did go in with some concealer on my parted area because these are not bleach knots, but they're super natural knots, and they're super light knots. So all I had to do was just add a little bit of concealer. I went a little crazy on the concealer choice, okay? I went in with a lighter concealer. I thought I was grabbing another one, and I didn't. And what I ended up doing just to fix that was just adding a little bit of my foundation powder that actually matches my complexion, and I tapped over that, and that's how I solved that problem. We love a problem solving queen. We love a good solution, honey, okay? But yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron. The tiny ones I got from Ulta, as well as the big ones, but I'm just pressing the top half out because I felt like it wasn't necessary to go in and plug too much of that density up there, because I thought it was pretty natural. Okay, so get into the natural state of this hair. I did press it out so you can see what it's giving, but this is a pre-layered unit. Now, I did notice that the density was giving a little bit, you know, a little bit skimp, a little bit limp. So I decided to go in with my shears and cut some, like, you know, raggedy layers in it. It's a method to my madness when I cut these type of layers, okay? I cut from the back and then I cut from the front, if that makes sense. You just gotta follow my lead in the video, okay? I kind of suck at explaining what I'm doing, but these are not blunt layers. You just got to find the rhyme and the reason why you're doing what you're doing. And I'm just basically trying to add the volume as well as keeping the length, okay? So just take certain sections and basically do what you see me doing, and that's how you get this bad old looking bob, okay? This fire looking bob, and I mean bad in a good way, not bad like I butchered it. And then I decided to go in with my Baby Bliss flat irons just to curl away from my face and give me some really bomb, like effortless beach wave kind of curls. You guys know this is one of my favorite type of curls. When I found out how to do this, when I took my time, I almost like stood in the bathroom for about, I want to say 48 hours. 48 hours, okay? Trying to figure out how to perfect this curl with each hot tool that I own. And I did. So pass on the back to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because when I say, I was like, I will never just regularly curl my hair ever again. Like sometimes I catch myself trying to just give myself regular curls, but I always end up just pressing the ends out. If you're not good at a style like this or a curl like this, just curl your hair regularly, right? All the way down, and then press out the curls once they kind of cool down. Press out the bottom of the curls. If there's certain curls that look a little bit too puffy, like slowly go over it, not slowly, but quickly go over it with your flat irons just to kind of give it a more looser feel. But once you perfect your flat iron curls, girl, listen, your curls are going to stay in your head so much longer than just regular barrel curling iron curls. I feel like those type of curls fall so easily and quick. And another thing I recommend is you sectioning off your hair. Just give yourself 2 sections to work with. Nothing too crazy, but doing these curls like this on a shorter length type of hair, you will, I'm telling you, the longevity of these curls will last you almost like, I want to say a week, okay? 7 days, 7 whole days, girl, 7 whole days. So you can't beat that. But look at the quality of this hair. Fire, luster, fire, edges, fire, hairline, fire, parting, amazing. Like, definitely shouts out to Klaiyi for providing this unit because it is amazing. A low maintenance unit. All you have to do is just, style it to your liking. It's a pre-styled unit, so you really don't have to do much. follow the follow the pre-layeredness already if you do decide to cut into your unit like I'm doing. But yeah, I love it. I just wanted to show you guys this process of me getting ready, getting my life. I ended up grabbing sushi this day, and it was amazing. And I just look like somebody's boss lady that, collected the bag, went to the bank, deposited a check, flipped a house. I had a blazer on and everything for this style, but I loved it. I thought it was really cute. The photos that I am going to insert is the same day, but I end up changing my outfit. But yeah, I love it, you guys. Definitely shouts out to Klaiyi. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you try it out on yourself. Let me know if you love these curls, hun, in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you. Make sure you thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.